Hi guys, Guillermo is here. Welcome back to the Revit architectural training tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use shape editing tools to manipulate the surface of a flat, non-sloped floor or roof by defining high and low points for drainage. By specifying the elevation of these points, you split the surface into subregions that can slope independently. Let's begin. As we've learned in the previous chapter, I'll draw a basic floor at level 1. Go to Architecture tab, Build panel, and select Floor. Make sure that Boundary Line is selected, and from the Draw palette select the Rectangle tool. Now draw the sketch lines in a plan view. Once you finish, click the green check to exit the sketch mode. Select the floor and take a look at the ribbon menu. Note how you now have access to a panel of shape editing tools. These tools allow you to edit and manipulate the planar surfaces that make up your floor element. Let's start by adding a point onto the upper surface of our floor. I'm going to select Add Point, and place it on the floor surface. Hit Escape key to exit the command. This new point added to the floor is coincident with the surface plane. Select the floor and then click on Modify Sub-Elements tool. Select the point we've just created and modify its position on the Z-axis. First set the height of the point. You do so by entering its elevation, or height, into the box on the options bar. As soon as you change the elevation value, Revit resolves the new surface by triangulating it. If we switch to a 3D view, it is far easier to see what is going on. You can envisage that this point may represent a drainage point in our floor that we want to slope down. At any point in time you can remove all shape edits to your floor by use of the Reset Shape function. Just select the floor and choose Reset Shape from the end of the ribbon. Quite often you do not want to slope the whole of the floor element, but just a small part of it. You do this by coordinating the area you wish to triangulate using split lines. Select your floor element and then select Split Line from the ribbon menu. Now simply add lines to section the area of the floor that you are going at the slope, then add a point. I have sectioned a rectangular area of the floor. All I need to do now is add a point just as we did before, but now Revit will only triangulate the area inside the split line boundary. If we switch to a 3D view, we can clearly see the triangulated, sloped section of our floor. This could be a walk-in shower in the corner of a wet room.